Welcome to Exploring Color and Foods. Get ready to discover a world full of bright colors with delicious food. Let's begin. Now, come and see what we have here. Look, it's a slice of tasty red velvet cake. Red velvet cake. Let's see what's next. It's a sweet and savory pumpkin. Orange pumpkin. Up next is a delicious yellow chess pie. Yellow chess pie. The next one is it's a fresh, crunchy cucumber. Green cucumber. Moving on to the next food. It's a cool blue popsicle. Blue popsicle. Up next is it's a creamy purple yam ice cream ball. Purple yam ice cream ball. Let's see what's next. It's a pretty pink raspberry macaron. Pink raspberry macaron. The next one is a rich drizzle of chocolate sauce. Brown chocolate sauce. Up next is a steaming cup of black coffee. Black coffee. Finally, this is the last one. It's a creamy white milkshake. White milkshake. Great job, everyone. Let's recap the colors we learned today. Could you repeat after me? Ready? Red velvet cake. Orange pumpkin. Yellow chess pie. Green cucumber. Blue popsicle. Purple yam ice cream ball. Pink raspberry macaron. Brown chocolate sauce. Black coffee. White milkshake. Well done. Now it's time for a colorful food challenge. I'll show you a dish and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's have some fun. Great job. Thank you for joining me on this colorful food adventure. If you enjoyed learning about colors and foods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time. Welcome to Exploring 10 Colors. Today, our goal is to learn 10 different colors. Let's begin now. Our first color is red. Look at these juicy red strawberries. Red. Red. Now, let's move on to the color orange. Look at these bright tangerines. Orange. Orange. Up next is the color yellow. Look at these pineapples. Yellow. Yellow. Now, let's explore the color green. Look at these fresh green apples. Green. Green. We are moving on to the color blue. Look at these tiny bilberries. Blue. Blue. Let's discover the color purple. Look at these lovely mulberries. Purple. Purple. Now, let's explore the color pink. Look at these cute radishes. Pink. Pink. Next is the color brown. Look at these tiny dates. Brown. Brown. Now, let's discover the color black. Look at these black currants. Black. Black. Finally, let's learn about the color white. Look at these Lumina pumpkins. White. White. Great job, everyone! Let's recap the 10 colors we learned today. I'll mention each color, and I was hoping you could say the word for that color out loud. Ready? Go! Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Brown. Black. White. Well done. Now, it's time for some fun. Let's play a color recognition game. I'll show you a fruit and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's get started. Well done! If you enjoyed learning about colors and fruits, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time.
Welcome to Exploring Colors and Shapes. Today, our goal is to learn 10 different colors and shapes. Are you ready? Yay! Let's begin now. Diamond, diamond, red diamond, red diamond, sun, sun, orange sun, orange sun, moon, moon, yellow moon, yellow moon, arrow, arrow, green arrow, green arrow, trapezoid, trapezoid, blue trapezoid, blue trapezoid, parallelogram, parallelogram, purple parallelogram, purple parallelogram, rhombus, rhombus, pink rhombus, pink rhombus, equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, brown equilateral triangle, brown equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle, black isosceles triangle, black isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, scalene triangle, white scalene triangle, white scalene triangle. Great job, everyone! Let's recap the 10 colors and shapes we learned today. Ready? Go! Red diamond, orange sun, yellow moon, green arrow, blue trapezoid, purple parallelogram, pink rhombus, brown equilateral triangle, black isosceles triangle, white scalene triangle, Now it's time for some fun. Let's play a color recognition game. I'll show you a shape, and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's get started. Well done! If you enjoyed learning about colors and shapes, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time!